Thank you. We'll chant going into the meditation, but before we get there, we want to welcome Tom Palmersheim to give us our reading this morning.
The Road Less Traveled by Kit McCallum. How often we must bear the challenges of life, the endless roller coaster between happiness and sorrow, the constant ups and downs of daily strife. And always the question remains, why? Life is not an easy road for most. It twists and turns, with many forks in the road. Although always and inevitably, we are given a choice. Do we turn to the right or the left? Do we take the high road or the low road? Do we take the easy path or the difficult one? While standing at a crossroads in life, the urge is to take the most comfortable path, the road with least resistance, the shortest or most traveled route. Do we yet again follow the known? Or does our destiny lie in another direction? The fear of the road less traveled is tangible and all too real. For only each of us knows our own personal thoughts, our unique past and personal history, the experiences that brought us to the crossroads we now face. We can always learn a small degree from others' experiences, and yet no one person can walk in our shoes. Others know not the trials and tribulations we face in private. For each is individual, unique, and personal. And that is why, while standing at a crossroads, only we can formulate the decision for ourselves, the true direction that lies within, the choices we must deliberate on with clarity and wisdom. For it is only through personal reflection that we can now choose our destiny, our next adventures, and the future we will embrace. Namaste.